Yes. So actually, when this primary key and foreign key both are there in the table, right? See, in customer key is there. Okay. And in case of return, there not return, we will take products. Okay. Sales. And in sales also customer key is there. So whenever we are going to make some charts and all, by accidentally we may take this customer key, which will give us some error in case of insert, update and all. Those kind of operation may perform some error and all when we are using this foreign keys. Okay, so in order to avoid such kind of situation, what we will do, we will hide this foreign key from the entire tables. Okay. So I will tell you how. Actually, when you will go through a particular column in the table, you can see there is an I option, right? Like there is an I option in case of writing the password and all. The same way there is an I option. Isn't it, all of you? So it is written in the tooltip that if the field or table is visible in the report view, select to hide it. So whenever you will click on that button, it will be hidden. Okay, so I will hide it right now. And product key also I will hide it. Okay, this one also I will hide. Right, and here product key is there. So that one too I will hide. When you will again click on that I button, it will become visible. So I am hiding it in order to avoid some inappropriate condition that may appear in future. So when I'm checking the sales, the customer key has disappeared, right? And in case of returns also, product key has disappeared. Is it clear, all of you, how to hide it and why to hide it?
And can you explain why it is necessary to hide?
Actually, there is some operation like insert, update, those kind of operation may, while doing those operation, there may occur some error when we are using foreign key while making charts and all, or making any visualization graph table. In that case, there may some errors may occur in case of using insert, update and all. So in order to avoid such situation, we are hiding those particular foreign keys from the table, right? So that we won't accidentally use it in future.
But ma'am, how will you get to know that which column is creating error?
No, we are, see, prevention is better than cure, right?
But
That
how?
is,
My question is how we are going to know that this column is need to hide or this column is going to be
whichever foreign key is there that you need to hide. See, what is the primary key? What is the common key between these two table? What is the common key? Product key, right?
Yes.
That is the foreign key. That was the thing that I was telling you. It is the foreign key in this table. The same product key is primary key over here. So we will not hide the primary key. We will hide the foreign key only. It is a weak key actually. Primary key is a strong one. We should not hide it. But foreign key needed to be hidden.
Yes, understood.
Yeah. In this case also, customer and product key, they both are foreign keys. And these two keys are actually primary key in these two tables. Okay. Right.
Yes.
And there is one problem with this table.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, what is the doubt?
Ma'am, which is primary key and which is foreign key here?
Whichever column is common between these two, dimension and fact. Okay. In this dimension table, you can see the customer key is a key which is also there in this fact table, right? This one. Okay. Actually, what we have done, we have connected these two tables by clicking this customer key and dragging it to this customer key. Then only we were able to connect it, right?
Ma'am, D customers is foreign key and this one is primary key, right?
This
Or
is
reverse?
foreign key, F for fact, F for foreign key. Remember like that. Whichever key is common between the dimension and fact table, that particular key will act as foreign key in fact table, and the same key will act as primary key in the dimension table. Is it clear, all of you?
Clear, ma'am.
Yeah, that is the thing only. The simple thing you have to remember what? The key which is actually connecting the two table, that will act as primary key in dimension table and foreign key in the fact table, right? Okay, this was the common key. There should be something common so that they may be connected. Otherwise, we can't connect it to tables which are not at all related. We can connect only those things which are somehow related, isn't it? You understood my point? Is it clear, all of you?
Yes.
See, in the school, you may be, you may have, studied with some other person in the same class. Okay. And after college and all, somehow through social media or something, you got to meet again. So there is a connection between both of you. That is that same school. Similarly, this particular column is common between these two tables, right? Is it clear?
So, ma'am, except foreign key means the common column. All the columns are primary key.
No. They are simply the columns only. Whichever column is common in both, that act as primary key when the table is a dimension table. And the same key act as foreign key in the fact table. Is it clear?
Okay, got it. Yes, got it.
Okay. Rest of the things are columns only, na? Okay. So this particular, now regarding the product categories, I will tell you a fact. See, yes. So we will go to this table view, and this is regarding customer data. Okay. This is regarding product categories. These product categories is having bikes, components, clothings, and accessories. Same as YoShop website. One more thing I want to tell you guys, actually, whichever task I am giving you, you should not web scrape yourshop.com. When it is specifically mentioned that go and web scrape yourshop.com, then only do that. Otherwise, you have to go through other e-commerce website, right? In future, you will get some task. Always web scrape other website. Okay, we want, because we need data from other website actually. Okay. If it is clearly mentioned that go through yourshop.com, then only you do web scraping in yourshop.com. Now, in this website, you can see toys and games, mobiles, laptops, accessories, electronics, home and kitchen, fashion, food services. These are some of the categories. And whatever is appearing in the drop down are the subcategories. Is it clear, all of you? What is category and what is subcategory?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, the same way in this particular company, bikes, components, clothings, and accessories are categories. Okay, and these are some of the subcategories. Like within bikes, these are the drop-down things. These are the subcategories: mountain bikes, road bikes, touring bikes. Okay, so it is showing you product category key as 111. That means bike only. Because when you will go to this category, you can see bike means 1. This is actually the category key, but this table is not properly arranged. So if you want to change it properly, so in that case, go to transform data, go to this transform data and arrange it properly. Now it is showing in somewhat in a wrong form. That table is not proper. Okay. You can see it is just like this. It should be in a proper form. This row should be columns and columns should be rows. Okay. So what I'm going to do is in transform, there is an option called transpose. Now it is good. Like 1 means bikes, 2 means components, 3 means clothing, 4 means accessories. Now we can change the column name also. Okay. So I'm renaming it as category key. Okay. And this one I will rename as category. Right. So we got a proper table right now. Earlier it was not in a proper form. Right now we got it in a proper form. So I will just do close and apply so that here also change will appear. Okay, now it is in a proper form. Now I will go to model and I will simply connect these two things like category key and this category key. These two things I will try to connect. Okay, and now what I will do is I will try to make a table out of it. Okay, let us see whether it will happen or not. If there is some issue, I will I will tell you that how we can make it with the help of DAX function in next class. Okay, sometimes it may show some issues. It happens because we are connecting two dimension table, no? That's why. Okay, so let us take the product category. Yes. So I will simply make the thing like category from here and product subcategory name from here. So it is showing me like this. Okay. Accessories. What are the accessories? Bike racks, bike stands like that. Okay. Clothings, caps, gloves, jerseys, tights, and components are they. Okay. It is actually in an alphabetic order, properly in an alphabetic order, A, B, C, like that. Is it clear, all of you? Actually, we made a table from two different tables. Okay. This table and this table. Right? Because the two are connected to each other, na? They both are connected to each other. That's why we were able to make a table out of it. Similarly, we can make some table like customer first name we will take. Okay. And something like sales. Order quantity. Let us check out. Okay, so how many items were purchased by different people? It is showing that thing. Or like you can close it and you can put line item name also, but it will show you multiple things. So better you go with order quantity. Is it clear? We have made two tables from different tables. Okay, one column was from here and one column was from customer. In that, in case of this table, what we have done, we have taken one column from here and one column from here. Is it clear, all of you? Nobody is responding. Any doubts?
Yes, ma'am. No, clear.
Okay. So
Clear, ma'am.
yeah, shall I wind up the meeting? Okay. So at 4 o'clock, there will be a class of SQL, basic SQL only. Okay. So all of you, bye. Have a nice day.